Welcome to the students of Standard 5. Welcome to all of you. Today we'll start the chapter 6, A Land of Hot Sand. A land of hot sand, that is Saudi Arabia. Page 42 to 46. Open the page 42 to 46. First of all, we came to know that where are the deserts, because deserts are very low rainfall. Okay, deserts are very low rainfall with extreme hotness, coldness, strong winds and dust storms. Okay, so where are the deserts in all over the world? First of all, you know that Africa, the Sahara and Kalahari Desert. And Africa, this is Africa. This is Sahara and Kalahari. Sahara and Kalahari Desert. Two hot deserts. Cold deserts are there, hot deserts are there. Cold deserts are Ladakh in India and Gobi in the Africa. So now we'll read about the hot deserts. Hot deserts are the Africa, the Sahara and Kalahari Desert. Then South America. This is South America. Atacama Desert. This is the Atacama Desert. South America is the Atacama Desert. North America is the California Desert. North America here. This side is the California. This is Atacama. Atacama Desert in South America and North America, that is USA. North America, that is in North America, that here it is Atacama, here it is the California. Here the California. So South America, North America, Africa. Then Australia. Australia is the Australian desert. Here Australian desert. India, the Thor desert. Then in the side, the west side, that is Saudi Arab, that is Arabian desert, that is called Arabian desert. Saudi Arab is the Arabian desert. Saudi Arab, that is Arabian desert. Then here all about the deserts. Okay, here all about the deserts. So now we will study about the Saudi Arabia. Here it is India, Thor desert. Here Pakistan. Then Saudi Arab. Saudi Arab is the Arabian desert. Red Sea, near the Red Sea. Near the Red Sea. Only one sea is there. That is near the Red Sea. So it is all about the. So have you pointed out all the deserts? In South America, Atacama. North America, California. Then Africa, that is Sahara and Kalahari Desert. Australian desert, in Australia, Australian desert. India, Thor desert. Then lastly, the Saudi Arabia is called Arabian desert. So it is all about the desert. So now we come to the point. The hot desert and cold desert. Cold desert is the Ladakh, India and Gobi in Africa. Then where is Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia is a country of Middle East. Country of Middle East is located in the Arabian desert and has grown into a modern nation. So due to the hard work and effort of the people. Mostly the desert areas of the world are very low rainfall and with extreme hotness and coldness and strong wind and dust storms. Okay. Here, strong winds and dust storms. So now the Saudi Arabia is a big country with small population. small population, no perennial rivers, throughout the year, water throughout the year, no perennial rivers near the Red Sea. Then come to the climate. It is extreme hot and dry climate from May to September, that is summer season. Then little rainfall in winter. Dust storms are common. From which month? April to from which month? Here, October to April. Okay. Then sky is hazy, faint, hazy. No clouds, clear sky. Okay. So then come to the vegetation. After climate, that is vegetation. Vegetation is the water is mainly from Red Sea. After desalting, salt should be over. Extraction of the salt, the desalting, it is used for domestic purpose, used for agriculture and domestic purpose. Oases are permanent source of water. Oases. So around the oases there are date palm, wheat, barley are produced here. And caravans are used for the camel, the loading in the camel cart, that is called caravan. Caravan are used for trade. Okay. So it is a rich country in the world due to the vast deposit of mineral oil. It is a vast deposit of, it is a rich country. Why it is rich? Due to the vast deposit of mineral oil. Okay. Vast deposit of mineral oil. So it is the economy. Economy of the Saudi Arabia. Mineral oil. And the mineral oil extracted and export mineral oil, that many oil refineries extracted the mineral oil and converted to the crude oil into petroleum, diesel, kerosene, and exported to other countries. Okay. So so it is why it is a rich country, because due to the crude oil, the petroleum, diesel, and kerosene. Then modernization changed the life of the people by discovery of petroleum. Modernization changed the life of the people. Then the tourist place is Mecca and Medina. Is the tourist place. Jeddah is the important seaport, and Riyadh is its capital. The Saudi Arab capital is the Riyadh. So Jeddah and Riyadh are the most important cities, and Mecca, Medina is the tourist place. And King Abdul Aziz is an international airport of Saudi Arabia. International airport. King Abdul Aziz. Okay. Then who are Bedouins? Bedouins who lead a village traditional lifestyle. Okay. See. The village traditional lifestyle. These are the Bedouins. How they are sitting in the hot sand, using tents. Okay. They lead a village traditional lifestyle, who always move in the caravans for trade purpose. Caravans. And what are the traditional clothes? The traditional clothes men wear long cotton gown. Okay. Long cotton gown called thaps. Long cotton gown, that is thaps. THAPS. WB with head covering Gutra, Gutra. Gutra. Head covering is the Gutra. Then come to the women. Women wearing long robes, wearing long cotton robes. That is called abaya. Abaya, Abaya, abaya. Abaya, and cover the face with a veil. Veil means curtain, parda, curtain, veil, called niqab. Niqab, niqab. Okay, then men and women, they domesticate the animals. They domesticate the Bedouins or the people of Saudi Arabia. They domesticate the animals like lambs, sheep, goats for cheese, wool, blanket and carpet. Okay, then major cities. Then come to the major cities. Riyadh and Jeddah. Okay, Jeddah is an important seaport. Riyadh is its capital. So Riyadh and Jeddah are the modern cities. What for? Which equipped with modern technology, superhighways and port facilities, towering 101 tier building. Okay, in ours 3 tier, 4 tier, 10 towers building, but towering buildings and electrical and many educational institutions, big institutions. Okay, so this is all about the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a country of Middle East. Where it is? Middle East. Middle East is located in the Arabian Desert and has grown a modern nation due to the hard work and effort of the people. Then one word answer. Long robes worn by the men, abaya. Then desert where there is a permanent supply of water, oasis. Nomads of Saudi Arabia, Bedouin. Head covering of the men, Gutra. Long cotton gown worn by the men, Thawb. 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 Okay. Then a person belonging to a tribe which is travel from one place to another, nomad. Then hill of the sand, that is sand dunes. So all about the one word. So it prepared for the test and asked by in the online class we have asked the one word answer. So be prepared. Okay, what is the economy, what is the lifestyle of the people, and what are the tourist place, major cities, traditional clothes, all about the Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. So thank you all of you. Then do the question answer. Okay, given in the WhatsApp also. It is copied down in the assignment copy. Okay, thank you all of you. Many thanks.